Today we're showing you a 2021 New Holland Workmaster 25S tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a loader and a backhoe. So we're buying the complete outfit here. The unit has approximately 65 hours. It's practically new. Took this unit in on trade. The fellow just simply did not have use for this outfit like he thought he would, so he traded in on a different tractor. Tractor is, again, like brand new. It does come with the balance of the factory warranty. The New Holland 100 LC quick attach loader also comes with it here, obviously. Skid steer quick attach for your bucket connection. Just a little bit of paint out of the bucket there. Paint is great on the tractor. Got a couple little small scuffs in the hood, but overall excellent condition. Twin pedal hydrostat transmission, has two ranges in that transmission. And then it does come again with the 905 GBL backhoe. Maybe it's a 9506, no, 905 GBL backhoe. Got a nice bucket here. You can see there's barely any paint out of the bucket. It is a subframe mounted backhoe, so it's mounted right to a subframe on the tractor, and that is quick attach. You can easily unpin this backhoe if you so desire. Has a rollover bar there, foldable rollover bar, toolbox there, obviously. It's about as close to new as we can find for you. Tractor does have mid and rear PTO. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. Tractor does come with the balance of the factory warranty. You can check the listing for those dates. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.